In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a split screen in CapCut PC. Launch your CapCut video editor. Create a new project by clicking on Create Project. Import the videos that you want to work with. Drag one video to the timeline. Now drag the other video above the first video. Adjust the video length. While selecting the top video, click on Blend on the top right menu. Decrease the opacity a little bit so that we can see the position of the first video. Now reposition the videos by dragging them according to your needs. Click on the top video of your timeline. On the top right menu, click on Mask. Click on Add Mask. Click on Split Screen. Reposition the split screen to your liking. Drag the split screen where you want it to be. While selecting the top video, click on Basic and increase the opacity to 100%. Now if I play the video from the start, you can see that the videos are playing in split screen.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.